Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for a fast internet connection and secure browsing experience, you're absolutely in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a V2Ray VMess server and set it up step by step on the HTTP Injector app. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who might find it useful. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar, then hit enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website and click on it. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top corner. Tap on it to reveal the list of available options. From the menu, select V2Ray Slow DNS server. This option allows you to create a VMS server that supports Slow DNS technology. Next, you'll land on a location selection page. Pick a location that's closest to you or one that offers high-speed performance. Now you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Just type in a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on Create Now. Within seconds, your VMess server details will appear. Make sure to copy or save them somewhere safe. Before we go further, make sure you have the latest version of the HTTP Injector app installed. Head over to the Play Store, search for HTTP Injector, and tap Install. Once it's done, open the app. Now on the app's main screen, tap the hamburger icon or 3 lines in the top left corner and select V2Ray Settings. In the V2Ray Settings section, tap the Import Config icon or paste your copied V2Ray server configuration manually. Once imported, double-check that all settings look correct, especially the UUID, SNI, and port. Next, head back to the main screen. From the tunnel type, select V2Ray VMess and ensure all other settings like DNS and mode are configured properly. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. After a few seconds, you should see the connected status. And just like that, you're now connected to a secure and fast V2Ray server using HTTP Injector. And that's it! You've successfully created a V2Ray VMess server and set it up on the HTTP Injector app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with your friends who are looking for faster internet access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.